Hey guys, welcome to another Tea tutorial. I'm Tita James, and the last time we were together we were talking about, that's right, copper masks and how it adds an extra layer of protection over your standard filter mask, basically because copper has some natural antibacterial properties in them. Now since then, we've been getting a lot of messages from people sharing either their experiences using the copper masks or mostly people asking about any other extra layers of protection, particularly these things that you put around your neck. Is it some kind of anting-anting? Well, that's what we're here to find out. You see, these things over here are your portable air purifiers. Now, I do know they look a little bit like an amulet or an anting-anting, but there is actually some science behind this. Now, the concept and logic is simple. It just uses negative ions. That's the base of all of this. What are negative ions? Well, probably best to explain it in a way where if you go to the mountains, you go to the ocean, and you get that buzz of fresh air, especially after a thunderstorm, the answer to that, why you feel like you're a little bit more productive or you feel like you breathe easier, you're clearer, is because of the negative ions in the air, also known as anions. Now, negative ions are commonly generated in that lower atmosphere called the troposphere, where most of the thunderstorms occur, and during the constant violent collision of waves in the ocean. You can't bring around your own personal ocean around everywhere you go. This is why they create the same effect with this. You see, it's able to produce 200 million anions per second, and that is where it gets its purification capabilities from. What is this good for? Well, it's good for any kind of allergens, pathogens, and any impurities in the air. Now, nobody's saying this is going to beat COVID-19. There is no product out there yet that can combat COVID-19. What you want to do is reduce your risk by any other pathogens, any other allergens, and any other impurities in the air. Remember, it's not replacing a mask, nor is it replacing your face shield. It is an extra layer of protection, and not just for COVID, because remember, COVID-19 just came over and above every other impurity we have in the air, every other allergen that we still have, every other pathogen. Those things didn't go away and were not replaced by COVID. COVID just added to the big basket of nastiness that we're breathing in the air. This is why it's important to wear something like this around your neck, just to give you that extra layer of protection so that it sends out that negative charge, and then it can actually deactivate some bacteria. It doesn't kill it, it deactivates it. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. You charge it up, that'll last you about 80 hours of charge, so you don't have to fiddle around and worry about it. You put it around your neck, it weighs about 35 grams, so you're not even going to notice it. A lot of people are using this now because they have pets, and if they have sensitive noses, then this thing certainly does help for that. Remember, it's the stuff that you don't see that really starts to bother you. So this thing here will take care of a vast majority of that. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh, yet another thing to buy, Tita James, and that's why our friends at Ninja Ion have got you covered. We're giving away 3 of these right now. All you gotta do, pop your hand up in the comments box, bust a move, do a dance, anything you wanna do. There are no strings attached to this. If you win it, all we ask is your genuine, honest feedback. So, what you waiting for? Are you still here? Pop your name down in the comments box, put your hands up, do whatever you have to do. Most of all, just stay safe, folks. I'll catch you again next time.